Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a laptop mockup design in Adobe Photoshop. Import a blank laptop image into Photoshop, then double click the screen area smart object to insert your design. And also align your artwork perfectly using transform fit to screen. And add a subtle shadow below the keyboard for realism. And now add a highlight along the laptop edges. Use gradient overlay for light reflections on the top surface, and also duplicate the entire group and apply slight cushion blur for depth. And insert a clean workspace background or wooden textures, and also adjust saturation to balance colors, and add a warm light tone for cinematic art.